Thanks. How do people go anywhere without a flying bison?
Well, I don't know, Aang. Why don't you ask Sokka's instincts? They seem to know everything.
Haha, very funny.
I'm tired of carrying this pack.
You know who you should ask to carry it for a while? Sokka's instincts.
That's a great idea. Hey, Sokka's instincts, would you mind?
Okay, I get it. Look, guys, I'm tired too. But the important thing is that we're safe from the Fire Nation. Run! We're cut off!
Sokka, your shirt!
Ah! If you let us pass, we promise not to hurt you.
What are you doing?
Bluffing?
You promise not to hurt us?